blue, red, purple, light green, dark blue, pink, dark green, brown, yellow, orange,